Continuation of continuations. We're looking at the crown right over here. Have you ever seen what the Pope wears? This is the crown. Now, one of the reasons for the crown is you can see there's no extra space over here. So it's actually the cubed turned this way. And in this design, you can put a 1 in the center if you want, or you can put a 5 in the center. But this would be the low shoe angle. Above the center is 9. Below the center is 1. To the left, it's 3. To the right, it's 7. This is the angle. If you notice, there's one number across this way. The next two numbers is 4, then it's 6, then it's 252. 176, 88 and 88. Dividing skies. Then it's 4, then it's 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 1 level, 2 levels, 3 levels, 4 levels, 5 levels. Otherwise, it's 1, 2, 3 levels. That's the basic. Second, it would be 511 or V11. In Roman numerals, remember how they work. Roman numerals only work with 1s and 2s. So we're working either with these two or these two. The separation of 5 and 3 and 5 and 7 is 2 and 2. But in this scenario, in low shoe, it becomes 3 and 7 over here, saying 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And that's how your Roman numerals work. After that, it becomes 5, not minus 1. It becomes V, and 1 becomes 4. V plus 1 becomes 5. Now, when we change it back to low shoe numbers, okay, in low shoe, this one over here becomes 3. This becomes 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes 10. If you multiply, it becomes 24, becomes 34 and 34, 77. It becomes the total of 27 and 7, 13, 13 is the difference. 1 and 3 and 4, 1 and 3 and 4, or 7/4. 7 times 4, 28 days of the cycle of creation of DC. 4 times 4, 3 times 3, etc. Works out to 3, 8, 6, and 6. 3, 8, 6, 6. Creation heaven of the church. DNA cat. 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4. 9 and 6 is rotation inside command and create in area space. 4 times 4, 4 plus 4. 16 and 8. 5. When you're counting and moving in numbers, where would you like to start? If we start at 5, we have to arrive at 5. 0, 5, meaning we throw the dart from behind the line and we end up throwing the rocket through 5 to get into the game. Just like the stovetop, we're going to go 5 over to 1, down to 4, over to 7, over to 8, over to 9, 3 up to 6, 3 up to 3, 1 over to 2, and then we'll stop. So we would get a total of 5 and 4, 9 would be our start. 5 and 4, 9, the IT system in the sun. 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 goes back to 5 and 4 creation. 5 plus 4 is 9. Over here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From 7 to 8 is 16 to 17, 20, 23. Over to this one is 24. We have the day of man. We go back into here. We have 29 to birth, 30 creation, 33, 36 at the gateway, 37 in the 8 heaven, 39 is your birth, skies of Saturn, 38 the heaven, and etc. What happens 42, 45, 46, and back to this one. In this scenario, we create the letter G and the ace that begins the whole arrow. Now, if you want to start another way, okay, no, let's continue in this one. It's also 19. Let's start at 1. It becomes 0, 1. If we start at 1, we start at 0, 1. We can also mark this as a 1 area. We can also say we start at 0, 1, not even talking about the 5. If we start at 1, we go from here to here is 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Over to this one is 15. Over to this one is 16. Plus the 1 we start, that is your 17. 16 plus 1, soft 17. 19 and 5. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, if we go from here 3, 6, 9, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14. And from here over to here, 2 back to 5, 15, 16, and 17, as we mentioned. Did I do that again? 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm not happy with what I did. Let's do that again. From 1 over to 4 is 3, to 6, to 7, to 8, to 9, 10, 11, to 12, 13, 14, over to 15, and then 3 here gives me 18. Gives me 18. I don't know where I have 19 from. Gives me 18. Gives me 18. Did I do that right? I didn't go 0, 1. I go 5 over to 1. Okay, but it's 0, 5. So let's start with 4. So we get 4, 3, 3 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Over 1 over here was the 19. 5 over to here is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that's where I got the 19 from. And then you come into the 5. Because you start at the 5, you add 5 equals to the 24. Artificial intelligence, right? We come back over here in this one, okay, we're going to start in the center, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and back into the center, 19, 20. This is how the scenario goes. So when we're looking for numbers, out of all this talk that I've done, when we're looking for numbers, this is what I'm going to do. 5 over to 4, 5 into 5, over to 1 is 4. Down to 4 is 3, down to 7 is 3, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 6, 6 to 3, and 3 over to 2. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. When I add them up, 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19, 24. What is this over here? Must be some other scale. I don't know. We're not going to count that. Another thing we have to understand is when I'm moving, okay, I am going from red to black to red to black to red to black to red to black to red. Those are these numbers over here. 1, 9, and 5. When 1, 9, and 5 comes together, it's A, E, and I. I think we're going to leave it at that for now. The design of this will create the letter R shape. And the reason we get the R shape is because we bottleneck over here coming back inside the 5. When we say father and mother, time, heaven, electric, resident, okay, ER is 23 creation. Time, heaven is the cycle of the single moon, the 28-day cycle of man. 28 and 23 is 51 Mars. Fa, spirit of the half-life, altered current through Mars, 28 cycle of the moon, 28 in mother. Here it's 7, the gateway. Here it's 28, 28, the moons of the gateway. And they only have that in Mars. I had a lot of things together. In this part over here, I'm going to show you television, T&E, and L&E. L-E is the halfway, the vision, 10, 15, and 10, I-S-I-O. This will say 15 and 10. Okay, I keep forgetting that this arm is what creates the 10. You put it on here. This is the arm that creates the 10. Either you run one arm this way that goes all the way around from 5, right? And that's what they use on ships to find out who's all around the center of you, right? Or you use the clock. 5 and 5 is the clock. 10 is to see who's the complete distance around you. Isn't that the way you would look at it, right? You'd have this point to keep your balance, this little point over here. You can't keep it on the edge. You got to put the pin over here and spin it. And that'll spin inside these areas here. These areas here represent the gold. Gold represents the golden buoy. The ocean is moved by the moon. G&E, electric, moving your magnetism, magnetism in the moon, moving the earth. 5-3, 5-6, 5-9, 5-8, 5-7. It goes like this. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4,